Hello. Hello. I'm Anmesha. I'm a girl. I'm waiting for my friend. Hi, I am Amin. What is your plan for today? We are going to learn about animals. Do you know how many kinds of animals are there? Yes, two types, wild animals and domestic animals or pet animals. Wild animals stay in jungles. What about pet animals? They live in home. Let's go! Yay! Let's go! Here comes the king of the jungle, our lion. Lion. The turn for the tiger to appear. This is our tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Now it's zebra. It's a zebra. In Zealand we say zebra. But people, they learn it as zebra. But we'll have to say zebra. The turn for our little monkey. Naughty monkey. With its furry friend, rabbit. Rabbit. Come, rabbit. Come. Monkey with its friend, rabbit. Now it's the turn for domestic animals. The first, our cow. Cow give us milk. Our cow. C-O-W, cow. Cow give us milk. Then comes our sheep. Sheep gives us wool, right? Yes, it gives us wool. The turn for our hen. Hen. The turn for our hen. Where are you, hen? It lays its eggs for us to eat in the morning. Here comes the father of our hen. Where are you, rooster? Rooster wakes us up in the morning. puppy? Yes. Our little puppy. Come back. As we have visited our jungle and our domestic animals, now it's our turn to say bye-bye. We are saying bye-bye. We finished our jungle theme with wild animals and with our pets animals.